Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add an order number barcode to your packing slip that you print in Shopify. For this, we're going to use an app called Order Printer. I'm assuming that you already have the GroovePacker Lite app installed. If not, you can grab that from the App Store. The Order Printer app, just search for Order Printer in the App Store. There it is. And we'll select that. Add it. Grant it some access. Okay, and it actually automatically opens the first page. If for some reason it doesn't open the Order Printer app, you can find it in the apps list. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on Manage Templates here. We're going to add a new template, and we're going to call it GP Lite. Now, if you already have an Order Printer template that you're working with, you'll be able to find the code that you need, and I'm going to show you where to get the other code block as well. Either way, we're probably going to copy it from the page that we have in our knowledge base. So what I want to do is go to the apps list again and click on GroovePacker Lite. And this is just an easy way to find this article. So we're going to click here under the instructions, and that's going to open this page in the knowledge base with these instructions. And we're going to scroll down and grab this. So this is like the full code block. If you have never used Order Printer before, you can just start from scratch with this. If you're already using Order Printer, then the smaller code block is what actually generates the barcode. So you can just drop that in instead. So back here in this template that we're creating new, I'm just going to paste that in and hit save. Okay, now we're going to make that the default. So make sure you just have one default checked. Right now we've got GP Lite checked, so we're good to go. And all of that appears to be saved. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is make sure that we don't have a hashtag prefix set for our order number. So the way we do that is just go to Settings, click on General, and scroll down to here. Okay, so by default, you're going to see a little hashtag in there. If you try to generate an order number barcode with that hashtag, it'll break. It just doesn't work. So you can change that to something else. You could have a letter and a hyphen and different things like that if you needed a prefix. If you're using a lot of different Shopify apps, if you're using a lot of different Shopify stores and you're importing those orders somewhere, you might want to have different prefixes. Otherwise you don't need one. You can just remove that completely. As long as you don't have a hashtag or a character to start it out, you should be okay. But yeah, so we'll just go with a blank one for now. That's always a safe bet. And I guess I don't have to hit save, but normally you'd have to hit save after you remove that if it was there before. Okay, so what will that actually do when we remove that prefix? If we look at an order here, this one was generated after the prefix was removed, and all these were generated when the prefix was there. Okay, so the result of that is, right now when we try to print barcodes for these on the packing slip, we'll find that the one with the barcode, this 1034, it's not going to work. So after you remove the prefix, all the new order numbers afterwards that don't have it are going to be good to go. So here's the one that didn't work, here's the one that did. And it's just a matter of that hashtag being included. So this is ready to scan. This order 1035 is good to go. So now that that's added, all you would need to do is go to your GroovePacker Lite app here. And once you've printed that packing slip using Order Printer, you would scan that barcode right here, and it would open up the order, and just like as if you had typed it in, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. So give that a try, and if you have any trouble, just reach out to us, and we'll help you out. So thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.